guys, it's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. We found an awesome spot to enjoy some cold beer out of our drink tanks. Today we're going to be explaining how to use our Keg Cap Accessory kit. It fits on both the 128 and the 64 ounce drink tank. And we're going to pour some beer into our 16 ounce cups. Matt is going to explain to you how to use it.
Thanks, Taylor. Yeah, it's a great day. So the first step when using the Keg Cap Accessory kit is you want to pour off your first pint in your full growler. Pro tip, actually, when you're pouring, you throw the bales up to the bottom and the QRTs to the top. Makes it a little easy, they stay out of your way for easy pouring experience. First things first, get Taylor her pint. No one goes thirsty. Great. Now it's time to put on the Keg Cap Accessory kit. You want to make sure the hose goes to the bottom of the vessel. So you can adjust by pulling the cap either way. Obviously on the 128, you'll have to have it a little longer. This is perfect right here. Put it on, clamp the bales down.
Just so you guys know, the bale system works exactly the same on the standard cap as it does in the Keg Cap. So you can just place the metal bales in the open slots and put pressure on both sides and it'll seal it tight.
Now each Keg Cap will come with 2 CO2 cartridges and 1 CO2 injector. Small little guy here. Pretty easy to install. You're just going to screw them together. Now what this is used for is to actually pressurize the vessel. So I'm going to use the term charge. And essentially what I'm doing is this is spring loaded, shoots out CO2. I'm going to press that down the inlet valve and it's going to force the liquid out of the vessel while also not allowing oxygen to get back in and give you flat beer. So pretty easy. One way to pour, go up the top for me, Taylor, is you're going to do a quick half-second charge. You really don't need any more than that. The beer is already carbonated, especially when you just fill it up. And you can actually pour with the nozzle pressed down, so when you open. It's a lot easier. You can charge it with it up, but when you get a first growler pint, it's going to be a lot fresher that way, so it's going to be easier to pour. So quick half-second charge. That's all you need to give her a great pint. Excellent. Now just enjoy.